Hello, JEE-Main 2024 aspirants. Hope your preparation is going on in the top gear. This is JB Gupta. I'm a physics guide and I have been mentoring the students for the IITJEE and NEET for a long time. This is my habit to research and develop such courses which can help the aspirant to reach up to the top-notch ranks. So here I have a very important information to share with you. We are launching a 60 hours per subject crash course for the JEE Main 2024 January attempt. In this course, including me, all the other faculty members are the top-notch faculty members of the field having 20 plus more years experience. And the course has been so meticulously prepared that it almost touches each and every important aspect of the syllabus and, and the very relevant aspect of the syllabus. The course will include the assignments, updated and relevant. And it will be followed by the All India test series at the end. So don't delay. Immediately register for the course and start your preparation. Give your preparation a final shape to reach up to top-notch rank. All the best and hope soon you are going to join us.